Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. As you saw, it's a do or die project, so we are still battling with the design, but almost there. So this is the precision lab, CNC lab. Yeah, good machines around, and we shall be at one point using them, for example, when we shall be doing 3D printing. As you can see, we have a progress with our design. So far we have focused on the two design, the French and English design, and we are using SolidWorks as our software to model the bell. So it is from here that we are going to continue. So here, as you can see, this is the French model. This is in SolidWorks. Then these are the dimensions. Of course, we are making a 150 kilogram bell. Then this is the English model. Then that is the dimensions. Then here we are trying to start analysis, static analysis, to see how the bell can fail before we go on and implement. Yeah, so